Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to create GIF files using GIMP software, which is a free open source software alternative to Photoshop. So all you have to do is just visit gimp.org and download the software, and once you have installed it you can open that software and you're all set to create a new GIF file. So we're just gonna open the file, one of the files, and let's say it is ICICI Bank. Yeah, so this is our first file, and the dimensions are 705 cross 299. One thing which you have to keep in mind is that all the layers of your GIF file has to be of same size, or else it will look very ugly. So go to Windows and dockable dialogs, and over here we have layers because we cannot see the layers option. The goal is to create lots of frames, because that is what makes it a GIF file. So we just have one layer as of now, and we will add more layers, which means more frames, which will keep on changing after a specified interval of time. So now we have 6 frames in our GIF file, and we can just see the layers as well. It is hidden now. We just have to go to layers option again, and we can see all these layers. So now let's export the file as the GIF file. So go to file and click on export as, and over here you will see this GIF option selected. If it is not selected, then you can just choose different options and select the GIF file, and then enter the file name, which can be anything you want. So GIF experiment, you can name it whatever you want, and .gif, and just export the file. Now it will show you a couple of options. So GIF comment if you need one. So one of the main options is you have to export this image as GIF as an animation, because that is very important, because it will be dynamic, it will keep on changing. So some activity is happening, and that is what animation is all about, and the animation should keep on looping. It shouldn't just complete after one go, and it shouldn't stop. It has to loop forever, and that's why we have to select this loop forever. And what should be the duration of change of each frame? So in this case we have selected about 0.7 second. We can make it a 1 second. So after every second the frame will change. So we are keeping it 0.7 seconds. You have to keep in mind that this is in milliseconds. So yeah, once that is done, just export the file, press enter, and the file will be saved. It takes about a few seconds. So it is done. We can open it in any of the web browsers available in your system. So we have Chrome, and we will be opening it in Chrome. So this is how our GIF file looks like. So it takes a few minutes to create a new GIF file, provided you have all the images for your GIF file in same image size, because that is really important. And once you have done that, all you have to do is just open all your files which are to be included in your GIF file as frames, as layers, and all you have to do is just export the file as a GIF file, and save it as animation, and then just define the duration between each of the frames, and once that is done you will have your GIF file ready. So I hope this will help you in your creation of GIF files, and possibly social media marketing as well. Thank you for watching our video. Click on the link above the up arrow to get access to more interesting videos.